Welcome to our guide on setting up and managing buyers in Dialics. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's create a buyer. Log into your Dialics account and navigate to the Buyers section. Click the Create button and enter the buyer's name. It's that simple. This creates a new buyer profile ready for further customization. Next, let's set up your buyer. Click on the newly created buyer profile to edit it. Here, you can configure various settings. Select a time zone for accurate cap limit calculations. Invite users to the buyer profile by clicking Invite and entering their emails. This sends them an email with a link to create their accounts in the system. Dialics allows you to set specific permissions for your buyers. These include giving permissions for buyers to edit their forwarding number or SIP endpoint, pausing destinations to manage agent availability, setting max concurrency to ensure proper call handling, blocking numbers to avoid spam or prank calls, setting caps to limit the number of calls, hanging up calls to control call duration, downloading reports in CSV format for detailed analysis. Now, let's look into cap settings. Configuring limits or caps is crucial for managing your budget effectively. Dialics offers various cap settings. Global cap, setting cap on global level. Monthly cap, setting cap on a monthly level. These reset every month. Daily cap, set caps on a daily level. Resets daily. Hourly cap, resets hourly. You can reset all counters by clicking Reset Caps, which sets all values back to 0. Limits in Dialics are calculated based on your settings. For instance, if you set a daily purchase limit of $500, Dialics sums the revenue from all destinations under that buyer. Once this limit is reached, the system stops sending calls to prevent exceeding the budget. Always monitor and adjust these limits to avoid missed opportunities. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up and manage buyers effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tutorials, check out our other videos.